Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Dora and today I did this berry burgundy look. So if you wanna know how I created, what products I used and was it easy to create this look, please keep on watching and of course subscribe to my channel. First I'll prime my lids using this Jouer Essential High Coverage Concealer because it's very light. You really need a tiny bit of this concealer and it has such a good coverage. I'm taking Moprhe 35M palette and first shade I'm taking is this one and it's called Sweet Beats. I'll apply it with this big brush. I'm working it through my crease as some kind of transition. Now I'll take this smudger brush and this burgundy shade, this one, and this is called TThe, and I'll work this through my crease. I'm switching to Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette and I'll take this shade called Saffron with this small blending brush and I'll blend these two shades a bit together. Now I'll take this flat brush and again my concealer and I'll carve my cut crease. Now I'll take this NYX glitter glue and I'll apply it all over my lid. I'm going into this Makeup Revolution glitter palette and first shade I'm using is this one called Luxe. It's like darker gold shade and then I'll take this Magnificent and I'll apply it in inner part of my lid. This glitter can actually work on their own without glitter, but I want that extra security, so I've applied the glue. Guys, I applied glitter and I love how this looks. I don't know what happened, but this didn't film. So I applied Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 20 and a bit of this Jouer Essential High Coverage Concealer in the shade Chiffon. And now I'm setting it with this Aura Powderful Loose Mineral Powder. Now I'll take this Balm Anti-Orange Bronzer in the shade Oliver and this a bit flat but fluffy brush and I'll contour with this. Now I'll use this combo from Makeup Revolution, this is Contour Palette. I'll take Mary Lou from the Balm for today's highlighter. And for blush, I'm taking this Makeup Revolution palette and I'll mix these two shades. I'll spritz my face with Maria Badescu setting spray. Now I'll do a bit something different. I'll take this lip liner from NYX. This is in the shade Auburn, and I'll apply it in my waterline. I don't have any eyeliner in this like burgundy shade, so I'll apply this in my eyes and on my lips, like that. I'll take this smudger I used to apply my burgundy shade, and I'll again take this shade TThe from Moprhe 35 and palette, and I'll smudge this liner. I will do my liquid liner, and this is liquid ink from Essence. Now I'll line my lips using this Auburn lip liner. I'll fill it in with Golden Rose lipstick in the shade 20. It's beautiful lipstick, really creamy and very pigmented. But I want this to be a bit lighter as ombre lips, so I'll apply this very light nude lipstick, and I'll tap it just with my finger. Last step, I'll go into this faux color palette. It's called Sunrise, and I'll take this shade called Champagne, and I'll apply it in my inner corner. And I have reviewed all of these palettes, so I'll leave links for that videos in here. So guys, that's it. I'm finally done, and I love this look. I really love how this turned out. This glitter is, I mean, I love it, and these shades blended really well. I love the Moprhe palette and that Makeup Revolution palette also. And this lipstick is very comfortable and creamy, and I really love how this looks. So if you like it, and if you have something to say, or if you want to try recreate this look, please leave a comment in the description, and of course subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye!